scan to unlock SOVI and ace your tests.
Calculus problems like the slope field analysis look intimidating, but you can solve them in 60 seconds by following 3 simple steps to find the answer. First, look at the slope field. The undefined slopes form a vertical line at x equals 2. This eliminates any option that does not have a denominator of x minus 2. Next, observe the slope segments. They are positive on both sides of the asymptote. This means the derivative must be positive, ruling out any expression that could yield negative values. Finally, check the steepness. The slopes increase rapidly near the asymptote, which requires a squared term in the denominator. A cubic power would cause a sign change, so choose D. Got it! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Don't ignore signs or miss the asymptote. Always verify the asymptote and test the signs.